Good morning, I'm James Sills from the genetics field of the Science Matters TV show, where all science-related questions are answered. And today, I have a fun question here from Carter Van Pelt.
Hi James, I'm Carter Van Pelt. If two sets of identical twins get married and each couple has a child, could the resulting children be identical?
No, the children in the results shouldn't be identical. However, that's a great question. And here is three pieces of evidence as to why. According to new research by the University of Alabama, a study took 10 pairs of twins' genes and found that between them, 9 of the 10 had one twin experiencing signs of dementia or Parkinson's, which means that at some point, the genetics in each twin must have been different to allow one, but not the other, to have a disease like dementia or Parkinson's. And here is an example of Parkinson's disease. According to Carlos, nature versus nurture affects DNA. Epigenetics is an environmental factor to DNA that can be passed down over generations. For example, parents smoking can lead to their children having different DNA. Also, if a grandparent is an alcoholic, that trait can be passed over their children to their grandchildren. And here is an example of that. Evidence 3. According to the Tech Museum of Innovation, though most identical twins may look the same, they can have changes in their DNA due to choices like tattoos and fingerprints. Fingerprints are all different genetically, which help prove that your genes are different even at a starting point between twins. And here's an example of that. In conclusion, mainly because of epigenetic changes in each set of twins during their lifetime, the children in both groups should also have different genotypes, which means that both the parents and the children should have different genetics. One part we must add is that for twins to even be identical, the children must come from the same egg, which they do not. So all these things add up to show that no, the children in your question should not be considered identical.
Thank you for answering my question, James.
And here is where I got my sources for my information.
This was brought to you by Science Matters TV show. Thank you for watching.
And tune in next time to our show. And remember, keep asking questions.